Hi my friends, this is Val from Nutrition Magic, and today we have a surprise. We have a wonderful sous chef, and her name is Vicky, who has been helping so much with getting everything prepared, and we are going to make a big pizza. It's big season, and this is a Mediterranean dish, and they do it at fig season, mainly in Rome and Sicily. I'm going to show you what we've got going here. Vicky, tell us what you're putting on the pizza first.
I am putting on these wonderfully glazed, beautiful balsamic onions. It gives it all kinds of flavor, texture.
So we caramelized them, and just wanted to show you the treasured olive. Also, they also have the olive oil has polyphenols up in the 700s, and this is part of a Mediterranean diet. We are caramelizing the onions here, and first we cook them in olive oil and butter, and then we add them to balsamic vinegar. So next we're going to put on our cheeses, and we have mozzarella, of course, then we have Gorgonzola, and this cheese. Vicky, do you remember this cheese's name? Fontina. I'm so sorry. It's Fontina. So we're going to give this a sprinkle. And Fontina is a milder cheese. You want to get the cheese at least like a ½ inch away from the edge, because you don't want it to burn in the oven. Okay, now Gorgonzola is a little bit more pungent, but it's very, very good and good for you. Just like about everything on the Mediterranean diet. That's why I call it Nutrition Magic. It helps you keep your BMI where it should. It also lowers your cholesterol. And this is where a lot of the blue zones are, where people live to be over 100 with very few medical problems. And this is our tried and true mozzarella.
Hi, I'm Vivacious Vicky. I am the assistant cook today, and I'm going to add the figs that we have cut, fairly thinly sliced, but thick enough that they don't fall apart, and add them to the pizza, one by one, kind of like you would do a pepperoni, only it is a fig. This will make it a little sweet and a little crunchy, as well as being nutritional.
And the sweet with the balsamic vinegar is going to even it out.
That's not quite pineapple sweet. It's just enough to...
We also added prosciutto ham.
Look how beautiful that is. All right, and now it goes into the oven. Ooh, my glasses are fogging up. Look at that.
Ooh, Woohoo, it's done.
Zoom in on it. Wow! Look at that. We've got a few steps more. We're going to let it sit for about 2 minutes and rest, and we'll be right back. Okay, our fig pizza has rested for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to sprinkle arugula on top. This is a peppery lettuce. It adds that little something to it, and also good for you. I am pouring on a little bit of Balsamic Reduction. And then we're going to put a little bit of black pepper on there. I'm ready to cut it and for us to do our taste test. Okay?
Taste test. Yummy.
Okay. Is it off?
We're ready for our taste test. Yummy.
Yay. Okay. All right. Here we go. Delicious. Now she has her
Here we
ready, and it's really a nice combination of flavors.
Wow.
Very good. Al and Vicky saying, until next time. Bye.
Bye.
You can find the recipe down below, and please subscribe.